Hey friend, just wanted to say Happy New Year and thank you so much for painting along with me this year. Coming up in 2026, we have a lot of new tutorials I'm really excited to share. In the meantime, to celebrate a milestone, we hit over 5,000 subscribers on the channel and I am so excited and so thankful for your support. In honor of that, I wanted to give away to 5 different people a set of 5 of my Watercolor National Park postcards. And to enter to win, all you have to do is comment below down on this video and share what kind of landscape you would love to learn how to paint this year. So that could be a desert, ocean, mountain, or a certain national park that you really enjoy. And I just wanted to show you a preview of the postcards I'm giving away. So we've got Mount Rainier of Washington. We've got Zion of Utah. We've got Joshua Tree of California. And we've got Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado. And then last but not least, we've got Bryce Canyon National Park in Utah as well. So again, just to enter, you comment down below what kind of art you would love to learn this year on my channel, and I cannot wait to see you in the next tutorial. The winners of the postcards will be announced Monday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time via the comments down below for this video on January 12th. So stay tuned. You've got a little bit over a week to enter, and I'm so excited to just say thank you for all of your support this year.